What's poppin', y'all? What's poppin'? Welcome back to another episode, you guys. It's like episode 3 or something. I already hit my fucking squats, y'all. I just completely forgot I was supposed to shoot a little mic up here. So, we're still getting used to this shit. So now we're on to leg extensions, exercise 2 of the day. I'll still put the squats, like I still recorded them, but I just didn't do a mic up with it. So, but I will post those right beforehand, all that shit, all of this, and then from there. We're moving on to this. I'll kind of make this a slight intro. This is exercise 2 of the day, you guys. Let's get it. Uh, Honestly, I just hit some PRs on the squat, and I'm hitting numbers on this shit too. I don't even get it because, man, every time, I just posted this on my story, but every time I don't feel like coming, I end up hitting some records or something like that. So I'm like, man, don't play yourselves, guys. Just because you ain't feeling it, don't mean don't go. You never know. This might be the day you hit a PR. So let's do this shit. Oh, come on. Come on. Okay, that's it. Oh. Oh, man. That was set 2 also. I already did a set 1 with just 3 plates on this thing, but set 2, we're up at 4. I haven't even done 4 plates on this, honestly, but we're feeling good today, y'all. So we's not bitching out. Let's do it. All right, set 3, you guys. I'm trying to fly through these bitches because I've already been here for an hour squatting this shit. Damn near. So it's like, man, we got to get a move on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Oh, that's it. Oh. Oh. Fuck, dude. Set 3. Set 3. It's in the books. Oh, and so am I would live. Jesus Christ. Oh, fuck. Come on. Let's finish this off. All right, different angle. Who this? Let's do this shit, y'all. Last set. I could have gone up on weight, but honestly, those squats probably gonna fuck. Not probably. They did fuck me up, and it's like I'm not trying to. I'm not trying to be limping for the next couple of days. For the next one day, that's cool, but the next 2, 3 days, hell nah. So let's do this shit. Whatever we got here. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, that's it. That's it. No, come on, one more. Okay, that's it. Oh, shit. Oh, woo. Okay, that would fuck me up. Oh, man. Shit, at least that's how I'm feeling. But, all right, y'all, we'll deal with those. Let's move on to the next exercise. Set one of these calf raises. Man, it's crazy how in some machines you can do like, man, there's a machine right here next to me that I can do like 300 pounds for these calf raises, but this thing right here, I'm doing 100 and what? 90 plus 25, 115 pounds, right? I'm like, man, shit don't make no sense, but whatever. Let's see how this goes. Ugh, come on. Come on. Oh. Ah. Oh. Oh yeah, I can go heavier, but that shit was burning. Burning that 12 reps right there. That was a good 12 though. That was weird. I usually struggling with these, but fuck, I'm feeling good today. All right, come on. You know, one of the reasons I like calf raises though is you don't really gotta wait too long for the next set. Like, that was only like a minute break right there, and now I'm feeling ready to go. Added another 25, so now we're what? One. Man, I can't do math. Oh, 140. I'm tripping. 140, guys. Let's see how this shit goes. Okay, let's get it. Mm. Come on. Come on. Oh, that's it. Oh, fuck. Oh, man. Okay. I was still feeling pretty good, though. Shit. 10 of them. I better could have got 12. Next one. Same way. Going for 12, though. Let's see this shit. All right, y'all. I'm doing one more set on these. 3 sets of the smaller muscles, y'all. I don't really need to work on my calf growth. Luckily, I was genetically blessed. Well, actually, I think it's more the fact that I was almost 300 pounds once. And just the heavier you are, the more your calves got to work, and that's it's no shots on it, but that's just what it is. It's straight facts, you know. So, maybe that's what it was. I honestly think that's what it was. Calves don't just randomly grow. My mama ain't have no crazy ass calves, so shit, that's how we do it. But come on, last set of these. Let's get 12. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Mm, mm, Twin. Come on. Whatever. I'm not sure. I think I missed one. Come on. Oh. Oh. Fuck, dude. Okay, yeah, that was it. Oh. Okay. I'll set 3 of those and we're good to go. Yeah, 1 or 2 more exercises. We'll see how my next one feels. Next one leaves me feeling. And from there, we'll determine what we do, guys. All right, here we got set 1. Some hip thrusts, y'all. Or glute bridges. I don't know what. Oh, glute drive. So set 1 of some glute drives, y'all. This is something I was playing myself with. I'm starting off now with 3 plates and a 25, but I used to think 3 plates was my working set. But damn near, this shit is just a warm up at this point. And that was only like a week or 2 ago because I never really challenged myself with these, y'all. So that's like, it just goes to show you got to push yourself, guys. Like, you can handle a lot more than you think. I'm about to probably end up at 5 plates here. So let's see how that shit goes. First set. Oh, that's why I fucking tweak. All right. That was a struggle right there, y'all. All right, let's do this shit. Set 1. Come on. Okay. Oh, that was good. That was good. Starting set right there. Felt great. Okay. Let's keep it pushing, y'all. Next one. All right, y'all. We on the bigger and better things. By that I mean another plate. All right. Let's get this shit. I'm gonna try to end up at 5. Honestly, well, this will determine what I end up at, cause this is feeling pretty damn good. Let's see how this shit goes. Come on. Okay. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, come on. Okay. We still hit 10, but oh man, I ain't gonna be shooting right for the next couple days. I can feel it. Oh, it's not what I wanted, but that's how it goes sometimes, y'all. Shit. That's what we here for. Finish some damn work. Okay. Just like that, we up there at 5, y'all. Oh, I'm feeling pretty good too, so let's see how this shit goes. Come on. Yeah, I'm almost done for the day though. I can feel it. Shit, come on. Let's finish this shit off. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh no. Oh, oh yeah, they're gonna fall off. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, oh man. Yeah. Oh shit. She don't get a motherfucking double teethed up, y'all. Damn. That's how they do it. All right, that's all I got for you guys today, okay? If you guys was fucking with it, like, comment, share, subscribe. This is what we do day in, day out. All right? I'm going to try to give you guys the best information I can. And, might as well. The more the merrier. Go share it with everybody you know. I'd appreciate it. Y'all go have yourselves a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Boom.